Hello, this is Exploring with Em and Stu.
I'm Em.
And I'm Stu.
And today we're lucky enough to have a really nice day, haven't we? So
Yeah.
we've come for a little walk around the backwaters of Walton-on-the-Naze to take a look at the scenery and some of the old boats that are apparently around here.
So we're going to be having a look around, so we're going to put you straight into some scans and some drone footage.
So we hope that you enjoy it as much as we will.
See you in a minute. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of the drone footage and the scans that we've done of the backwaters of Walton-on-the-Naze. What did you think of today?
Yeah,
it's quite nice.
It's really beautiful down here. If you're ever around the area, take a little walk around here.
Yeah, just come for a walk.
It's very scenic.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
But we're sorry that it's such a short video, but it's something that me and Emma, for the first time, have been back together for about 3 months now.
Oh, something like that.
So,
yeah.
As from Exploring with Em and Stu, we hope to see you again next week.
And thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.